What's up, guys? I am here at where are we at? We're at a VanLife meetup.
Yeah, on Fiesta Island, San Diego.
This is Eddie. We're gonna show off his van right now. Not only his van, but his company, LA Outfitters.
LA Van Outfitters.
LA Van Outfitters. I got his card right here and I can't even say it correctly.
Oh my.
I know, right? Not only am I gonna show you his van, but he built the van that's behind his. So I'll do a little bit of B-roll of that to show you guys in this video. Check it out. Show me just your skills, brother. First of all, what are we in?
Right now, we are in a Sprinter, a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van. It used to be a cargo van, but it's been completely made into a cool home on wheels.
Absolutely. What's the wheelbase?
It's the 144-inch wheelbase, but it has these flares from Flare Space, so you can have like, you know, a full length of sleeping like in the van. Nice. Without like, you know, bumping against the walls.
I'm gonna show what that looks like on the outside right now, so.
Like having the bed sideways is really cool because like there's all this extra space here, because otherwise the bed would have came to like about here.
Yeah.
So there's all this extra room. We've got this like faux leather storage space. And the other van, it's like a pull-out toilet.
Oh, nice.
Got plenty of storage everywhere.
How do you keep those locked while you're driving?
It's got some marine latches on there.
Nice.
So like they snap into place, so nothing shakes or rattles when you're driving, which is really cool. Same system up here. It's got some leftover camping stuff.
Nice. And this is your personal van?
This is my personal van.
Yeah.
Got lights everywhere.
What is your countertop made out of?
This countertop is it's like a faux concrete. I mean, yeah. It's actual concrete, but it's like a skim coat. But it's like super good, stain resistant, water resistant. I've driven on bumpy like dirt roads and it's yet to crack, and I don't think it ever will. Same with the backsplash. These are real tiles, just like you would have in a house.
And for those that don't understand why we don't use actual concrete, is because of weight. We can only put so much weight in here.
Exactly. So this, like, it's, you know,
right.
It's like a feather. You can just like pick it up and put it in, which is cool.
And you got two fans, not one, but two.
Two. Get that draft circulation going.
That's pretty cool.
So right now that one is like pumping out.
Yep.
I don't even have this one on, and you can already like feel a little bit of like cool air just like being sucked in.
Right.
And then with like these windows at nighttime, you know, the same thing could happen. You could like pull in cool air at night if you're on the West Coast.
Right. Exactly. And your burner, your cooktop burner is propane?
Yep, propane. So got this little on-off switch so it doesn't leak propane, and then you can get right in here. It's filling the line with the propane.
Yeah, you got it.
There we go.
There it is. I probably can't see it on camera, but there's fire there.
There's fire, everyone!
That's pretty cool. You have an on-off switch for your propane.
Yeah, and everything. Yeah, because like right now, you know.
You don't want to leak, right?
Yeah, exactly. So it's like a little safety.
What's up, man? How you guys doing?
Good.
Give me 1 sec. I'm just doing a tour.
No worries.
Thanks, guys.
Yep.
And your refrigerator.
Yeah, so a refrigerator. We got this isotherm fridge. It's like
dope.
3 cubic feet. So right now, I just got the essentials, nice Trader Joe salad and some beer, but you can put whatever you want in here. There's a little freezer compartment.
And
pretty cool.
isotherm, they're pretty much built for like RVs and.
Yeah, it's built for RVs, sailboats.
So they stay shut.
They stay shut, and it's designed to like handle vibration, which is cool.
That's awesome.
Because it doesn't break the compressor.
Well, you have a really cool setup. I'm gonna show you guys the front of the van because he has swivel seats. Just such an essential part.
Seats.
Curtain
Luxurious. Girlfriend pleasing curtain.
Girlfriend pleasing curtain. I love it.
Yeah, so you can find me at lavanOutfitters.com or just LA Van Outfitters on Instagram.
There you go. I will put all the links below. You guys will be able to see all that. Eddie from LA Van Outfitters, he does great work. Check him out. See you guys next time.